All right, good morning, you guys. Just taking a stroll, gallivanting around the town of Lachung. It's cold in here, so walking kind of at least, ups my temperature. So, yeah, it keeps me warm. So, anyway, the bridge you see behind me, it's a very famous constructed bridge in the 80s or the 90s. I don't know the exact date, but it's created by the Indian Army, and it's very important because that's the only connectivity of the Lachung Pass, to the rest of the world. I mean, you have these small pedestrian bridges and all. I mean, even the river is not so big, but how far will you go? So that's the only vehicle-driven bridge that you have, and plus below that you have this beautiful young, I should say, river Dista, which obviously flows down to the Bay of Bengal, becomes wider and wider and dirtier and dirtier. But here it's so crystal clear, guys. It's so clean, and you can actually even like drink the water straight from the river. But you wouldn't do that once Tista reaches in Siliguri. So yeah, that is kind of cool, and there's snow everywhere. Obviously, there's snow, and it's a beautiful town, guys. I think it's spread over 4 regions, 2 on the like the opposite sides of River Tista. So you have 4 blocks, and it's a small town. It's like just between a vessel, like covered with mountains, and just between the mountains sits, Lachung with, with so much of beauty inside. But obviously, it's slowly getting a little crowded because of a lot of tourist interaction here. But I mean, that is the main source of income here, so we can't really blame that. But still, I would love for this place to have smaller houses, not so much of concrete. So it's still, I mean, what can we do? We can just talk about it. So the hotel I'm staying in is called the Park Palace, and Park Palace happens to be one of those hotels which provide you with a lot of amenities and all, like the room heaters or 24/7 hot and cold water, which you don't get in a lot of homestays and hotels in Lachung, because it's a problem here, guys. And obviously they charge a lot if they are providing you with such facilities. So if you are a person who is on a budget, so I'd not recommend you this hotel. But obviously, if you are with your family and then you're just here to spend your time for a day or two, and you really want to spend, so I'd recommend you this comfortable hotel which you can stay in. I mean, the beds are cozy, you have room heaters, wooden interiors and stuff, so it's kind of cool. So yeah, definitely do check out this Park Palace Hotel. I'll put some details about the hotels in the description below. So they called me here to photograph their property for their promotion and stuff. So yeah, I think now I'm gonna be heading towards the hotel because I have some work there. So I'll see you guys, later in the evening, where I think I'm gonna explore more of Lachung. So yeah. Oh, guys, this is amazing. Just little above Lachung. Just walked for like almost 2-3 kilometers and we found like a lot of snow. Check it out. Although the sun is like pretty harsh today, but still the temperature here seems pretty low and at least 1 foot snow, I can see. All alone in the woods, just gallivanting here and there. I just don't bump into Yeti or something. I mean, I have to get back before it gets dark. Pretty happy about myself right now. Relaxed, I should say. So before the sun sets, I would want to go back to my hotel because I have some more work to do there, and tomorrow I think I'll be heading back. So yeah, that's it. And that is, guys, how you skate with your sneakers on when you don't have a hoverboard or anything of that sort, so you kind of become creative. So let's skate more.